Hey, this is video 3. Okay, so I want to talk about, first, if you haven't been watching my other videos, I'm doing a plethora of videos a day for 2 weeks because I got challenged to do it, and I'm taking that challenge to see what happens and how I do. So this morning I got up and Kelly Gaines Walker was doing a video saying that it was, so many of 50, and so now I'm doing 50. Hey Tim, hey Shauna. Okay, so this is why I hate it when people tell me that they're not tech savvy. I'll tell you why I hate it. I actually don't hate anything. I only get triggered and then it's not really hate. Anyway, but this is important. If you are technically challenged in your mind, you get to know this. I am technically challenged too. That I happen to do a lot of things on the tech, and it takes me a lot of time, and I've spent lots and lots of years in the tech, and I'm still what you would call yourself as technically challenged. Okay, so here's the story. I got a ClickFunnels account recently, and any of these tech tools that you get, they come with a giant learning curve, and over the years I've had several different types of these as I've popped my head out and popped it back under and that kind of thing, but the thing that's true the whole time, in fact, I never get where it's like, oh, this is slick and easy. I spend a lot of time with tech support. You can ask them. ClickFunnels tech support. I think they all know my name now. They've all helped me, I think, all of them. They're very, very nice. ClickFunnels is awesome. Ask me for my affiliate link. I'll totally hook you up. They're awesome. So, anyway, yesterday, so Timothy, you're saying you're grammatically challenged. I choose to be grammatically challenged, except for if you're saying things like, please don't say nuclear. Oh, it's so painful. Say nuclear, it's nuclear, and realtor, not realtor. I have a hard time with things like that. Other than that, I make up words, so, like butamus and whatever, it's fun. Hey, Kelly. So, anyway, so that's like what I do so that I can stay, technically challenged and still get things done, is I just spend a lot of time with tech support. I get on the phone with them if I need to. I do the live chat thingy. I have them make videos for me. Hang on a second. And I pretty much plow through, pulling out my hair, crying, and like everybody else. So in the past, I've had people tell me that they think that they want me to do theirs for them because I'm so savvy. And when it comes down to it, if you're not ready to pay somebody who's an expert to do your stuff for you, just get on the phone with tech support. They will usually hold your hand and come to love you, especially if you're a good customer and you love them back, and treat them good. So that's what I do instead of, picking on myself for being technically challenged. I don't expect somebody else to do it for me, but for free, if you're going to pay an expert, do it. But if you get on with tech support and you just ask them to show you how, then you can learn how, and you don't have to remember everything because you can always ask again. And that is my advice. So with the ClickFunnels thing, I've been fighting with it for like weeks. I've been with tech support. They've been making videos for me to do, and some of them got really overly complicated. Like, you could do this, or this. So you have to decide if you're going to do this, then this. If you're going to do this, then that. And it got really complicated. And I was like, somebody just simplify for me. And so I had 2 or 3 people create simpler and simpler videos for me to be able to go in and accomplish what I wanted to accomplish. And I finally did it! Yesterday! I got it done! I'm so excited. I feel free. Now it's on to the next thing. Okay, that's all I want to say. I will see you again. This is the third video and I got 2 more today, and I will talk to you later. Bye.